I'm Alex, Upworth Co-founder and CEO. Today, through a quick video tour, I'd like to show you how thousands of empowered individuals are successfully and safely managing their wealth on Upworth. We are here on Upworth's main dashboard. I wish it would be my profile, but it's only a demo version. We have three key views: total wealth, financial assets, and net wealth. Total wealth is the sum of all your assets. Net wealth is the sum of all your assets minus your debts. It's a very handy view if you have a real estate and mortgage-heavy portfolio, for instance. The middle financial asset view shows the sum of all your financial holdings. Think stocks, for instance. What we do systematically is that we show you the change in absolute value as well as the change in relative value over the selected time period. Next to it, we show to you a great balance sheet. You can expand or collapse the balance sheet in one click. Let's go into it. You can see on the asset side that we express your assets over your liabilities, and we break down the assets into three main categories: cash, investment, and other assets. You can further drill and see the list of all your connected bank accounts, as well as all your investments categorized or other assets. The same view is available for liabilities. As you can see, one of the phenomenal strengths of Upworth is the ability to add virtually any asset or liability to form a 360 view of your wealth. How does that happen? Well, magic plus account button. In here, we built a large menu for you, allowing you to connect to virtually anything: bank accounts, loans, properties, superannuation funds, investment accounts, cryptocurrency holdings, alternative and other assets. For most, we connect automatically to your accounts. We retrieve and update the values daily. When we can't connect to an institution or you hold private assets in nature, we let you track them manually. Now, I'd like to make a quick point about security. Security is extremely important to us. We do mostly three things. First, we encrypt with military-grade standards all your data, whether stored or in transit. Second, we do not access any of your login credentials. We have third-party link suppliers who do that for us, and they have a read-only access to your accounts. Finally, we have been accredited by Australia's ACCC's authority to access the official open banking regime. This required a stringent audit of our data privacy protection and cybersecurity measures. Your data is safe and more meaningful. Let me show you quickly our track module. In here, you can deep dive further. As you can see, we show to you the value of your holdings through time, and we show you the breakdown so that you have a sense of your diversification. As you can see the percentage, the total amount, the absolute value change, or the relative value change over different time periods. What is more, you can decide to go into any of them to have even greater details. We have here an embedded real estate portfolio tracker, for instance. We have also built for you a quite novel and advanced mortgage module. In this mortgage module, you can see your live debt capacity. You can have basically an analysis of all your mortgages and great visualizations. I won't go into details into these modules in this video. What I'd like to do now is go over a final capability of Upworth. Because Upworth is not just about tracking. It's about making your money meaningful. This is what the Control Tower does. The Control Tower gives you key money actions for you to consider. One of those is mortgage refinancing. Every day, we analyze more than 3,000 mortgage products against your connected mortgages, and we let you know if you could unlock savings. In here, for instance, we identified 250K of savings over the lifetime of this loan, more or less more than 1,000 a month. What is great is, as mortgage brokers, we allow you to refinance directly in our app, and we allow you to use all of your Upworth profile and information to fast-track the entire process. That's it for this tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember that your money works better when all in one place.